Mr. Harry Jackson. He's 95 now. His computer is very, very good. And as I said, the church is stronger than the village council in Hakupu. So that's a complication. The other complication is things are going to be political here. Once it becomes political, you are going to enter a different area. And taking, for example, you mentioned that it all ends up in the House of Assembly. That's very, very difficult. We only have 3 members now in the House of Assembly, 2 in Hakupu, 1 in Liku. So the rest of the 20 people there are going to have a major say in the whole thing. And that's when the Legislative Assembly is very, very important. And I said they shouldn't come into the scheme of things. And this is why I follow Harry Jackson, to follow the traditional way of keeping law and order.